Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss some questions based on circle. First questions: if x y equal to 0 be the equation of the circle, and if 0 comma k equal to 0 has equal roots, and if k comma 0 has roots for k equal to 4 by 5 and 5, then find the center of the circle. Okay, try to understand what these conditions and this condition says. This condition says that the circle f of x y comma 0 is passes through 0 comma 2 point from here using this, and passes through 4 comma 4 by 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 point. Okay, from here I can observe. Okay, that means I have to find the equation of the circle which passes through these 3 points. Okay, what will be the method? First method, you can apply that determinant, this one, x square plus y square x y1. Then same way, this is x1, right? x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. That method, x1 square plus y1 square, x1 y1 1. Similar way, x2 square plus y2 square, x2 y2 1, x3 square plus y3 square, x3 y3 1. This equal to 0. This is one method. Okay, and after that just calculate this determinant, you can find the circle equations. This is method 1. And now method 2, what will be your method? In method 2, okay, the circle passes through 0 comma 2 point, 4 by 5 comma 0 point, and 5 comma 0 point. Can I, if I draw this circle, 0 comma point 2 should be like here. Okay, 4 by 5 comma 0, the point should be here, and 5 comma 0 assume here. Okay, so I can draw a circle. Just try to understand. I can draw this circle. Okay, name, this is a point, this is b point, this is c point. A point here, b, c point. Okay, now try to understand. This is center. Okay, this is one chord for this circle. Okay, now how to find the coordinate of this center? Look here, this point is 4 by 5 comma 0, and this point 5 comma 0. What should be the middle point of these BC lines? BC lines middle point should be 4 by 5 plus 5 divided by 2 and comma 0. This should be the middle point. Assume this name as D. The coordinate of D we got. So now tell me, what should be the coordinate of this center? The x coordinate should be this equal to, that means if I calculate these things, 29 by 2 comma 0, that means this x coordinate should be 29 by 2. And now tell me, what will be our means y coordinate what should be? Just tell me, y coordinate should be this, because this coordinate is 29 by 2, this, and this coordinate is equal to with from here to here now. Okay, so what is the y coordinate for a point? A point 0 comma 2, so this should be also 2. That means this should be or 2. Okay, I think b is the answer. 20, sorry, 29 by 10, that should be okay. Sorry, this should be 10 after taking LCM. That should be 10 here. Okay, clear. Second questions. If the chord joining the points 2 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 2 subtends a right angle at the center of the circle, then its center and radius. How to find? First, observe here. This is my circle. Sorry, this is my circle. Okay, this is my chord whose end coordinate is 2 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 2. This is A, assume this is B. This chord making an 90 angle with center which is 90 degree. Okay, now observe one thing. OA and OB are perpendicular. Clear? Then the slope of OA, assume O as the alpha comma beta. I have to find the value of alpha comma beta. the slope of OA, find the slope of OA. Slope of OA, what should be? Beta plus 1 by alpha minus 2. And slope of OB equal to beta plus 2 by alpha minus 1. Okay, now we know that if two lines are perpendicular, then the multiplication of slope should be equal to minus 1. That means, assume this is named as M1 and this is M2. We know that M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Okay, just put the value beta plus 1 by alpha minus 2 multiply with beta plus 2 by alpha minus 1 equal to minus 1. Then I can directly write beta plus 2 plus alpha minus 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is our first equation. Now observe one thing. What is what about this angle? This angle should be 45 degree. Why? Because this radius and this radius are equal. One angle is 90 degrees, so that should be 45 and 45. Okay, now find the angle between two straight line. One straight line is OA, and second straight line is AB. So angle between OA and OB. What is the angle between OA and OB? This is 45 degree. That means pi by 4. Okay, now I can write tan pi by 4 equal to the slope of, I can write slope of OA minus slope of AB divided by 1 plus slope of OA into slope of AB. This is our formula, na? That formula was given 1 minute. I can write that formula. Tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the angle between two straight line formula. Yes. So similar way I write that formula. Okay. What is the slope of OA? Slope of OA may be here beta plus 1 by alpha minus 2. What is the slope of AB? AB slope should be minus 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 2. Same way, 1 plus beta plus 1 by alpha minus 2. Uh, mm, this multiply with, maybe this should be 1. Okay, this calculation. So I can write beta plus 1 minus alpha minus 2 by alpha minus 2 plus beta plus 1. Okay, I can also write beta minus alpha, maybe this is 3, and alpha plus beta minus 1. This is equal to 1. I can also write alpha plus beta minus 1 equal to beta minus alpha plus 3. Okay, beta should be cutted here. 2 alpha equal to 4, alpha equal to 2. Okay, just put it here. Beta plus 1, beta plus 2. Okay, alpha value is 2. That means this should be equal to 0. So either beta equal to minus 1 or minus 2. This came. Okay, so check answer. First one, alpha value is 2 and beta value is either minus 1 or minus 2. That means I have to this or this answer. Now just find the radius. That means length of OA. Okay, length of OA is what? Square root of our alpha beta value, what? Alpha comma beta equal to 2 comma minus 2. I have to take. Then OA means 2 minus 2 whole square plus distance between O and A, and minus 2 plus 1 whole square. That means 1 should be your answer. That means this is our answer. Clear? Now next questions. Let this equations is a circle equations. If two chords from a comma 1 bisected by x-axis are drawn to the circle, then the conditions is, okay. First assume I have a circle, okay, and assume this point a comma 1. Why I took this point here? Because of this point satisfy our given circle. Okay, I have to draw two chords from that point, and the x-axis which Divide these two chords by bisected, means bisected should be x-axis. Okay, whatever. Okay, this is bisecting. Okay, so now tell me, uh, I can take x1 y1 this point. This is bisector, so what should be our middle point? Middle point should be x1 plus a by 2 comma y1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the middle point, and also should be satisfy our x-axis, because this line is x-axis. That means what? Y equal to 0, the line equations. So put this y1 plus 1 by 2, this part equal to 0 because of y equal to 0 line. So from here I can get y1 equal to minus 1. So that a coordinate of that point should be equal to x1 comma minus 1. Okay, now this point, now just tell me, this point also satisfy our circle equation. Put this point, our circle equation is x minus a plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Put the value uh, x comma y by x1 comma minus 1. Okay, after putting this value I can get x1 minus a plus minus 1 of minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. That should be x1 square minus a x1, that should be minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now tell me, the roots of this quadratic equation should be real. Yes, that means discriminant should be greater than equal to 0. What is the discriminant of this quadratic equation? Square b square, that means a square minus 4ac 8, that should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, that means a square should be greater than 8 or greater than equal to 8. Check the options here. A square greater than 8. Got? So next questions. If a line passes through the point 1 comma minus 2 and cuts the circle, this, and a and b be the point where that line cut it, then the maximum value of PA plus PB is what? Okay, now tell me, that P point is belonging to the circle or outside of the circle. How to check? Just put the value x square 1 square plus minus 2 whole square minus 1 plus 2 equal to what? 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 2. This should be greater than 0. That means that point is outside of our circle. Okay, assume this is my circle. P point is here. What is the coordinate of P point? 1 comma minus 2. This line, I can draw this line where a b here. Okay, now tell me, when PA plus PB is maximized, when when AB is diameter, in that time we can find the PA plus PB as a maximized value. Okay, so from here to here, A B, this is center. Okay, when AB is diameter, then we can only find that PA plus PB is maximized. Okay, now tell me the center of that circle. The center of that circle is half comma half, using that formula minus G comma minus F. Okay, half comma half should be our center. Okay, now tell me the distance of PA. Why we took again, I am telling that why I am to take AB as a diameter, because of I have to find the maximum value of this. When only when AB is diameter, then that value should be maximized. Okay, what about okay, not find the distance between, find the radius first. Radius of circle. Radius of circle formula what? G square plus F square minus constant term. Here constant term is 0. G value what? Half square plus half square minus 0. Okay, that should be calculate, just maybe 2 will come, root 2 will come. Okay, radius is root 2. Okay, now find the distance between P and O. The distance between P and O is 1 minus half whole square plus minus 2 minus half this whole square. Okay, that should be 1 by 4 plus this should be 25 by 4. Okay, same way root 26 by 2 will come. Okay, now tell me what about PA? PA I can write PO minus AO. PO value what? Root 26 by 2 and AO value what? Root 2. Okay, this is my value. And what about PB value? PB is like 1 minute. PB is 2 root 2 plus PA. PA value 2. Okay, 1 minute. I can write another way. 1 minute. Okay, PB I can write AB plus PA. Okay, AB value what? 2 into root 2 plus PA value what? Root 26 by 2 minus root 2. That means root 2 plus root 26 by 2. So what is the maximum value of PA plus PB? Maximum value what? PA value what? You got root 26 by 2 minus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 26 by 2. Root 2 should be cutted. 2 into root 26 by 2, that means root 26. Root 26 value maybe I forgot, check once. Maybe root 26 value, uh, let me check once. Okay, root 26 value actually 5.09. That this one will be our answer. Okay,